Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Otter AI to Zoom Meeting. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to connect Otter AI with Zoom so your meetings can be supported with automated notes and transcription features. This is a simple setup, and once the connection is in place, it can make it much easier to keep track of conversations, action items, and important details from your calls. To begin, open your browser and go to the Otter AI website. Make sure you're on the Otter homepage and signed into your account before moving forward. Starting from the main dashboard helps ensure you can access all available settings and connected app options without interruption. Once you're inside Otter, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where Otter organizes the main sections of your account, including settings and app connections. You're looking for the area labeled Integrations. If you don't spot it immediately, take a moment to scan the full menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your account view or screen size. When you find it, click on Integrations. This will take you to the page where Otter lists the apps and services that can be connected to your account. These integrations are designed to help Otter work more smoothly with the tools you already use, including meeting platforms like Zoom. On the Integrations page, look for Zoom. Once you see it, click on Zoom to open the Connection options. This section is specifically for linking your Zoom account with Otter, so you can allow the two services to work together. Next, click the Connect button. This starts the authorization process between Otter and Zoom. At this point, you may be redirected to Zoom's sign-in or permissions page, depending on whether you're already logged in. This is a normal part of the setup and is used to confirm that you want to allow the connection. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Read each prompt carefully and approve the requested permissions as needed to complete the setup. These steps can vary a little based on your Zoom account status, but the process is usually straightforward. If a page asks for confirmation, review it and continue until the connection is complete. And that's it. Once finished, Otter AI should be connected to Zoom and ready to support your meetings. If the integration doesn't appear right away, refreshing the page or revisiting the integration section can help confirm that everything was connected successfully.